This spectacular Bentley floor plan is the home you've been dreaming of. This home will leave you speechless with its magnificent brick and stone exterior, front-covered porch, and copper roof accents. As you make your way through the luxurious iron double doors, you'll fall in love with the hand-scraped hardwood floors, soaring ceilings, spacious dining room, architectural niches, and large bay windows. Just past the elegant curved staircase, you'll find the living room of your dreams with its wide-open layout, towering windows, and custom fireplace. Just off the extraordinary breakfast nook, you'll find this luxurious kitchen, which comes complete with stainless steel appliances, 6-burner gas range, large chef's island, granite countertops, and a walk-in butler's pantry. The large owner's retreat is spacious, and it offers plenty of privacy from the main living space with its private reading area and back patio entry. As you walk into this breathtaking master bath, you can't help but notice the spacious stand-in shower, dual vanities, designer fixtures, and a garden tub that is perfect for relaxing. This master bath comes complete with a spacious walk-in closet and built-ins. As you travel upstairs, let the good times roll in the comfortable game room, complete with wet bar and adjacent half bath. Right off the game room is an upstairs balcony that's perfect for entertaining guests and enjoying the scenic views. The entertainment doesn't end here. You'll love watching movies in your large theater room that can be customized with lighting, stadium seating, bar, cabinets, and much more. The second floor comes complete with 4 large secondary bedrooms and 2 additional baths. Just down the stairs, you'll find a study and private bath. At just under 5,200 square feet, this 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath dream home offers a remarkable amount of living space for your entire family and an abundance of outdoor living space that can be customized with an outdoor fireplace and a kitchen that's perfect for spending time with friends and family. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Bentley floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.